We're in this hotel resort. You see how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Noticed a few things that these pines, these garden pines, they're shaped by pulling the branches down with string. Look at it. These guy wires or strings are holding the branches down. And a lot of these branches are shaped just by this. All the strings. A little further on, the scenery changes. Because this is a tropical area, there are a lot of tropical trees and the tropical palms, and of course those are tea gardens, believe it or not. If you've been to Xiamen in southern China, where the climate is very similar, tea does grow. So don't forget, in India, the tea does grow in some very warm parts of the country. So likewise in China, they grow in temperate and the tropical parts of China. So you see the oriental influence, which you see in Japan as well, especially in Japan. They make the walls in this fashion. So the surface of those stones are all flat. So carefully chosen stones to make that wall. So these are the tea gardens. And for those who do not know your tea plant, it is literally like a camellia plant, an evergreen plant. The trunks are like camellia. I think this is almost like a hobby garden, it's not commercial. Here we are taking a close-up of the tea bush, and you can see that the flowers of the tea bush is a typical camellia flower, and the leaves are like camellia leaves. So this is tea. You see they've plucked the ends. I wonder what it tastes like. It's quite leathery, the leaves. It's just like a beautiful single camellia. Beautiful flowers. This is the first time, I must admit, I've seen camellia flower. Again, for plant lovers, there's the convolvulus morning glory, and of course, what plant do we have here? Is the juniper. And if you wire them when they are young, you get these contorted shapes. It's the very same juniper. Most of the pines you see growing here are all 5-needle pines. I shouldn't call this a Japanese garden, this is a Taiwanese garden. So Oriental gardens have this type of influence. Different paving slabs for stepping stones are nice, and the use of railway sleepers also nice. So this is a working garden for the enjoyment of visitors. There are fish in the pond. Some more beautiful sights of these trees. Junipers trained in this style. So, if left to their own devices, they don't have the contorted trunks. So the contorted trunks are created by wiring when they're young. Lovely resort. These are individual chalets in this hotel resort. Blue skies, tropical temperature. It's only 8:30 in the morning and already the temperature is about 35. During the daytime it gets to 40 degrees and this is the end of November. Look at this beautiful tree, an old tree propped up with iron pillars. Artistic tree if ever there was one.
One is on this deck and the other deck is over there. You know, in Puli we have 12 tribes of Aboriginals. Yeah.
Do they speak a different language?
Yeah, they do.
They still do?
Yeah, they still do. But sometimes they also speak Mandarin during the public.
Okay.
At home, probably they tell their own languages.
Here we are taking a boat trip around the Sun Moon Lake because the shape of the lake is round in places like the sun and a crescent shape like the moon. So it's very auspicious because both the sun and the moon is represented in this lake. Taiwan is a mountainous country, so there are a lot of mountains. So this is a mountain lake, not a lake at sea level. This is about 800 meters above sea level.
号多少上就办个体检，3个心肺，2个是我们自己说。Anyway, you want it, Chen, it's all yours.
哎，这边的是什么哈？这个啊，
那是玄光室啊，
哦，
玄光天魔。
Chen.
But no effect. Captain Chan.
Oh,
Hello.
yeah.
Hey, Peter.
Peter, this way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Brilliant.
My God.
那有 wasabi 啊？阿姨会很呛吗？
不会。
Anybody else want? Oh, look at the mountain there. Mount is almost similar to a British, isn't it? Boxing Day is almost the thing that everybody get together.
No, nowhere near.
Major. Oh, no, 1999. 我讲错，不是2008年的时候来台湾。
That is a modern looking building. Space age architecture. This is some futuristic building. And then the other one.
That's
He paused.
some backdrop, Peter.
好，跟我跟
没有录影，照过了，等一下。
你可以绕全景，你知道吗？
知道，现在正在绕。
I'm in paradise. On YouTube.
No, I don't do it. No, go on.
Acoustics.
Oh yeah! Hello! Yeah, welcome to Taiwan! Woohoo! Wow!
解了。
Wonderful day! 背光了。 的。
没那么纠结吧。
We come to you, Mark. Stay.
Beautiful beauty，
哦，
那个日本的。
Ah, this is our driver.
哎，他要抄那个树啦，所以先